$50 million in revenue. What? Like, what brand does this? Jeez, I just found this on Forbes and this is crazy. We need to check this out. We really need to check this out. A brand that sells items on Shopify has done $50 million in revenue. Look, we need to find out really what they did and let us see if we can emulate some of their methods. Let's get right into the video and I'll be revealing this brand and I'll show you some of the strategies they use, right? Let's get right into it. So guys, now let's see what the article from Forbes says, right? So this is what it says. It says how this 27-year-old grew false eyelash startup Glamnetic to $50 million in yearly revenue, right? You can check out the post, it's on Forbes, and then you see a lot about her story and McFarren and her friends, how they started out, and then she said without accepting a cent of venture cash, she hustled Glamnetic to $50 million in sales last year. Bro, think about that. An e-commerce store doing $50 million in sales, right? Now look at it. She has sold over 100,000 products and ramped her team up to 70 full-time employees, right? You can see they sell eyeliners, they sell false lashes with no glues or tweezers required. A lot of products they sell. Now what we need to do now is, this is what their earnings and returns and everything has gone to. Let's go over to their website, right? So it's called glamnetic.com. So you just go over to glamnetic.com, right? Well, now here's the first thing I want you to realize. So these are key tips we can pick out from McFarren's brand, right? Firstly, it's a female-dominated brand. When starting out in e-commerce, most people don't tell you this, but if you are starting out in e-commerce, whether you're going to have to run it as your own brand or it's going to be drop shipping, brands or products that are female dominated work best, right? And now this is not a problem. Even if you're a guy, this is something you can still do. If you feel, oh, I don't want to look girly, I don't want people to look at me a certain way or something, the question is, you need to ask yourself, do you want to make money or not? If you feel you don't know all the trends that go with females and stuff, you could hire a team. You could have a partner who will be a female, so you guys always share ideas with each other, right? And then you know what to do. So that's the first thing we're going to look at, the fact that it is a female-dominated brand. That is the first thing to tick. The next thing we'll go over is this. Look at the website. It's a very catchy website, as you can see. It even has pictures of her herself on the website, right? So we're seeing shop, bundles, learn. There's a guide. You can see there's a guide. Subscribe. This is for their newsletter. And when you're on their newsletter, what happens? You get emails from them, and they send you emails about promotions and other products and stuff they have and stuff, and how they can be of help to you, right? Good. So always have your email marketing turned on, right? Always have your email marketing turned on. You can't just be running Facebook ads or Instagram ads, YouTube ads, Google ads to cold traffic, and you don't have somewhere you can keep these people. These platforms are not places you can call home, right? So that's why you need to have your email marketing game on check. Now that's the second thing. Now this is the homepage of the website, and what do we see? Aside them showing off their products and other things they use, they're showing us how to use the product, right? So make sure you're able to show your users, the end users, how to use your products. You can see this is a theme. It's a theme and it's a brand that goes with just a few colors. You can see there's a touch of pink in the brand, there is a black, and there is a white. They don't make it complicated. There's no red, blue, green, right? You can see all of that on here. And they offer a wide range of products, right? You cannot have inventory worth $1,000 and you want to make $50 million, right? So these are another thing you need to put into consideration. You need to sell a wide range of products that you know can serve different purposes or can solve different problems for people within the same niche, right? You can see now she has a fantastic faux glam, she has mixed lashes, and these are all of different shapes, sizes, and styles, right? So a lady may like this, I may not like this, right? You may like this, I may not like this, right? So you need to always have products that can serve them. A wide range of products. You can see they have lip liners, they have eyeliners, they have, and they say their lashes. You don't need tweezers. When you have to set your products or position your products in the market in such a way that you know that problem people have. Like for example, if you sell mattresses, but you know that with mattresses, people always like pillows that are not too hard, and you want to sell mattresses with soft pillows, you can position your product and in your copy you can state it. We sell beautiful mattresses that do not, and you do not need hard pillows or hard textured pillows for, right? When you do that, you've positioned your product a certain way in the market, and you get to attract people who love products like that. Now here's another thing. Right on their website, after showing off the products, the next thing we see is there's a box where you can chat with them, and then you can discuss what exactly you want from their website. If you want a custom order or something else, they give you the opportunity to do that. You need to offer your clients, offer your prospects options, right? Offer your prospects options. That's the next tip we'll pick from this. Now you can see their reviews, the social proof. Their social proof game is strong, very, very strong. Since 26,000 plus 5-star reviews. Imagine having this number of reviews for a brand that's just been selling from 2019, and this is 2021, right? Having this much reviews, it means they have expanded their brand and they've been able to explode to a wide reach, and they've served a lot of people, and they have tips they use to get reviews for their brand. Now let me give you a few tips you could use to get reviews for your brand. If you see your customers are not sending in reviews, you could offer them an incentive to send you a review. You could offer them a discount on a next purchase order. You could offer them a discount or a free item if they get you a review, or a free item or a discount if they can get you a review. This way you will get tons of reviews from a lot of them, right? You just look at it. 26,000 plus reviews. That is a lot of reviews. Now this goes down here again to show more of their products. See, they have products for nails too. They have a lot of products, a wide range of products for you. They tell you about their Instagram page. You can see the website is set up a certain way. The brand is clean, right? The brand is clean. This is what their Instagram looks like. This is what their Instagram looks like. So you can see that they follow the team, they are on brand, they use email marketing, they offer a wide range of products, and they showcase a lot of social proof. These are things you need to look out for. Now, the next thing I want us to look out for is, let us check on their marketing, let us check on their ads, right? So we'll be going into the Facebook ad manager right now to see if we can spy on a few of their ads. Let's get right into that. So we'll go into Facebook right now, and then let us check on Glamnetic, right? So we're going over to facebook.com, and let us see what we can find out about their brand, Glamnetic. Good. So now logged into Facebook, and let's just search for their brand, right? It's called Glamnetic, and let us see what we see. Wow, you can see they have a strong presence on Facebook too. They have a brand with 72,000 people following them. You need to expand your reach. Most people just stay on Instagram, or they stay on one platform and they feel they can just win everything by being on one platform. No, it doesn't work. This is a brand that you know obviously they work with a full team. Well, it's stated in their Forbes post that they have about 70 staff working for them right now. So think about that, working with 70 people, 70 full-time employees, right? 70 full-time employees. It's on their post on Forbes, right? They don't lie about all of these things. Now you can see it. Their brand is well set up. You can see they update every single day. This is their Facebook page. This is what it looks like. You can see a couple of Halloween posts because this is a Halloween period. You can see what it looks like. They're showing you their products, and this is Halloween inspired content. show you a lot of all that. So you can see a lot of promotions. You can see a lot and a lot of promotions. There are reviews, there are posts and pictures sent in from people that are even being shared. Now let us see if we can spy on their ads. 310 results. This brand is running a lot of ads. You see, they are spending a very decent budget on ads because they have 310 results for ads. And look at it, 29th October. Can you see what their ads look like? Can you see what their ads look like? And it's all videos. 25% off sale. You need to give people promotions, give people coupons, give people a reason to visit your website and check out to buy products. You see that? Save 25%. Save 25%. Even if these ads are in 10 campaigns with multiple ads, you can see that at least they are generating a lot of traffic to their stores, and they are using different forms of copy. You can see videos with white beautiful models. You can see black beautiful models, because some people believe, oh, if it's not a black owned brand or black inspired brand, we won't be able to buy. You can see they are testing a lot of ad copy. You can see this is very different from the other ads we saw. You can see that different forms of ads are being tested, right? The fall bundle. You see this? This is for a bundle. This is for magnetic lashes, right? Can you see it? Can you see it? A lot of ads are being run by this brand, and this is how they are able to scale their business into multiple figures, 7 figures like that. It's a no-brainer. It's not rocket science, right? It's not rocket science. Another thing is, you see their Facebook page has their shop connected. They're using Facebook shops directly on it. So when you click in, it's going to take you to their shop page right on Facebook. So you can even buy products from their Facebook account without visiting their websites. They make it very easy and so seamless for you to purchase items from them. And this is how it should be, right? This is how it really should be there. So now we've been able to take all these tips from Glamnetic. We've seen how their brand works. We've even been able to spy on their ads. Let us check if they have a presence on YouTube, right? Let us check. And you can see it. Well, they don't do so much when it comes to promotions on YouTube and stuff, but you can see that they have a very huge presence on on Facebook. They have a great one on Instagram, and on YouTube they have a presence too on YouTube, even if they are not running ads or anything. But you can see that at least there are a few posts on their YouTube just to show that they are present on the platform. It's very important, because I know I keep preaching the gospel of omnipresence and being present everywhere your customers are online. And you can see this too with Glamnetic, that it is very easy for you to know what exactly for you. And you can see that it's very easy to make to sell your products easier when you're on multiple platforms, right? Good. Now let's check on the last platform. And the last platform I'd like to check is TikTok, right? Let's just search for accounts on TikTok. Even with TikTok, before even running ads or stuff, they have a presence. And you can see there's a lot of people. It's a female dominated brand. You can see a lot of videos, 200K views, 66K views, right? 85K views. This is a lot. This is a lot. You see that? You see that 294K views. These are videos from the brand on TikTok. You need to have omnipresence. Spread out your brand, spread out your wings. Let your brand be found on as many places as you can handle. If it's too difficult for you, get a team. Get this done by people. That is how you can scale your brand to $50 million or to huge figures like this, right? Now that Now that will be all for the video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching that. I hope we've been able to learn a few tips from Glamnetic and how they've been able to scale their brand to $50 million in a single year. If you're willing to be able to take your Shopify store or your e-com brand and business to new levels, then you should click the link below this video, right? Or click the link in the mail so we can get you on the train to scaling your new e-com business, even if you do not know where to start, right? This is Mr. True Life, and from me and the rest of my team at Build Your Launch, we say thank you so much for watching this. We'll see you on the next one. Take care, guys.